When it's pouring down with rain, I always save these jobs. They've got to be due once a month. I've got nearly half the block to do. They're all holiday lets, holiday homes and everything. This is a penthouse suite. This is in West Bay in Dorset. You can see there, I'll take my little trolley with me. Little gardener's 4-foot pole, great for cleaning all these windows. Nice and easy. This is home of Broadchurch, if you've been watching it on a Monday night, I think it is. Just in that little valley over there, Bill Preston. So West Bay. You might have seen a few of these pictures. At the moment, it's the cliff where this person was jumping off. It wasn't. There's the same one opposite, so it goes round down there, which is great for a little trolley, these places. They don't take very long, and there you go. In case you forgot, that's the Broadchurch, that's the police station, just down there. This is where I live. This is the jobs I leave when it's raining. At the moment it's just stopped, which is quite nice. It's going to come again. Feel it in the wind. Trolley, to be honest with you, I think it's over the top, but it's quite handy because you can see these steps around here. They're actually very big steps. It makes it nice and easy for to get up and down these. Obviously there's steps in the car park and everything like that, so the 3 wheels in the back, they just slide down there. There's only littles, 20 quid.